Hey everyone, welcome back to Error Genie. In today's video, we'll go over how to fix communication errors in Dragon Ball Sparking Zero. If you're experiencing connection issues while playing, here are some simple solutions to get you back in the game. Solution 1. Lower the time limit for the lobby. Reducing the lobby time can prevent timeouts during matchmaking. Open the game's settings menu. Scroll to the section where you can adjust lobby options. Reduce the lobby time limit to prevent long waits and timeouts. Relaunch the game and try matchmaking again. Solution 2. Remove FPS. Unlock entry from Engine.ini file. If you've tweaked your FPS settings, this could cause errors. Go to the folder where the game's config files are located. Open this file with a text editor. Search for any lines mentioning FPS unlock and delete them. Save the file, close it, and restart the game. Solution 3. Flush DNS. Flushing your DNS cache can fix network-related issues. Press Windows +R, type CMD, and hit Enter. In the command prompt, type ipconfig/flushdns. Wait for the process to finish, and then try running the game again. Solution 4. Use Google DNS. Switching to Google's DNS can improve connectivity. Go to Network and Sharing Center. Change adapter settings. Find your active network, right-click, and choose Properties. Under Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, select Properties. Then enter 8.8.8.8 for the preferred DNS and 8.8.4.4 for the alternate. Once set, restart your PC and relaunch the game. Solution 5. Verify game files on Steam. Corrupted or missing files can cause connection errors. Launch the Steam client and go to your library. Right-click on Dragon Ball Sparking Zero, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Let Steam scan and fix any file issues, then try the game again. Solution 6. Turn on VSync. Enabling VSync can help with frame synchronization issues. In the game's menu, go to Settings. Look for the VSync option and turn it on. After enabling VSync, restart the game and see if the error is resolved. That's it. Hopefully, one of these solutions fixes the communication errors in Dragon Ball Sparking Zero. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips on Error Genie. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.